Hi guys, it's Sophia. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back today to share a little project that I created for a collaboration that I'm doing with Abby. She is KatPaperLove here on YouTube and also on Instagram. And we were supposed to do a tag flip book, but that's what I originally started working on. A tag flip book, but then as I was working on it, I was so inspired by all of these beautiful Halloween banners that I've been seeing on Instagram and YouTube, so I just decided to go with it, and it ended up being a banner. I hope that's okay. But as you can see, I've stacked it up, so if it was going to be a tag flip book, you could definitely do that. I would just have continued on and added some handmade goodies, a sequins mix, or like little cut up ephemera, or just additional goodies, like maybe on the back of the tags, because I didn't really decorate the backs of the tags. So yeah, I love this paper collection. I picked it up at Tuesday morning. It's the Spellcast, I think by American Crafts, and I love these little witches. So I'll go through each of the tags, and like I said, this can be a banner or it can be a tag flip book. You know, I just was thinking of setting it up like a tag flip book for this video, and just, you know, adding like a key ring here to hold it all together, but I just went with it. I really like it as a banner, and I love how this turned out, and I've been wanting to make a banner. So anyways, I'll go ahead and get started. So this is the first tag that I created for the banner, and let me see if I could lift it up a little closer. So look, I love these witches, and I really wanted to include two of these witches that were in the chipboard pack for this paper collection on these tags. So this is one of the witches, and I think she's just so cute. I love it, and that's my first tag. I used actually a pre-made banner that you can see here as the base, and I picked this up at Michael's on clearance, I don't know, a year or two ago. So they're a good size. I think they measure about 6 by 4 around there, or a little more, like 6 1/4 by 4.5 or something like that. And then I just cut the pattern paper down to size. As the next layer, I did some stitching here with the orange sewing thread, and then I added these little grommets here for the holes. And then this really pretty trim is from Target from a while ago as well. So this is it. I layered a white spider web here that I had in an ephemera pack, some of this little creepy cloth from the dollar store, I think, a crepe paper rosette, and I layered a chipboard piece on top. And this little butterfly was die cut with a Martha Stewart punch, added some bling, and just some more little chipboard pieces that were gold. So this is the first one, and I also added some of this little black pom-pom trim here. So I love how this looks. So okay, the next tag is this one here. I layered some tulle that I picked up at the 99-cent store, I think, and it's got this really cool like metallic orange spider web on it. I thought it was so pretty, so I made a shaker, just a big shaker, and also did some sewing. All of these have sewing around the edges. And then I added this cute spider here that I had in my stash. I forget where I picked it up, but I love it. So cute. And then just another chipboard piece that says Magic in the Air. So that one's kind of not too busy with the additional embellishments, but I just wanted, you know, to really show off the spider web tulle and the shaker. I didn't want to cover it up too much. So there's that one. And then this one here is the middle one, the middle piece. I love how this turned out. I added the pom-pom trim up to the top, and then I added this little spider web here that I die cut on my Cricut machine, I think last year. I think it was last year, but I had it in my stash, so I love that cut, and I just added it to the background there. Some more stitching in black thread here, enamel dots, a little glittery star from an ephemera pack, or thickers, I think that is. And then I had these rosettes already pre-made, and they matched really well, so I just layered 2 little rosettes. This chipboard piece here and this one are all from the Spellcast paper collection. So that's the middle pennant or tag piece. And then here is the next one. And then I'll try to show it kind of laid out. So this one I thought was really, really cute. I love this like skull doily. It's like a felt doily that I've had in my stash for a while. I think I picked it up either at Joann's or Michael's a while ago. But I wanted that to be the focal point, so I just layered that on top of this pretty metallic paper with the moons and the stars, some more stitching with orange thread there, and then I added that little chipboard bat to the skull and another chipboard piece that says Moonlight and Magic, and just little gold accent pieces and bling. So there's that one. And then here is the last one. It has the other really cute little witch here. And I love this one. I love her dress. It's so colorful with the orange and like yellowy mustard color. And so I just did some sewing with the black thread there. I layered a spider web, a butterfly with some bling, another chipboard piece that says trick or treat, and then another little potion bottle there, and some more of the pom-pom trim at the bottom. So that's the last one. So, you know, once it gets all laid out, let me see if I can show really quick. So these are kind of, I don't know, it's hard to show, but this is how the banner looks, and I'll kind of slide it over. So that's the first piece. It's already strung up. That's the third. So there's my little banner, or my, what was supposed to be a tag flip book turned banner. So I hope you like this project, and I hope you're having fun creating with, or creating for Halloween. So yeah, guys, that's my little project. So this was a fun collaboration, and be sure to check out KatPaperLove. I'll link her information down below. So thank you so much for stopping by, and as always, leave me a comment. I love to read your comments, and I hope you're all doing great. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.